Natural gas. Now, my broker has rolled over. Yours will not have if you're trading something akin to the Henry Hub. I've covered this in a previous video. I'm going to cover it very briefly. I don't want to go into too much detail, but this is because I've covered it in the 6-minute video this morning already. This is the futures price. This is now the May futures on my chart. My broker has rolled over. That candle there is the rollover candle. It took place in a split second. It's not a 4-hour move. It shows in the 4-hour candle, but it's an instantaneous move at the rollover. We're now just pulling back a little bit into these moving averages. I expect we'll pull back. We'll probably get a little. I'm hoping that we'll find support. It was possible, of course, that we could have just carried on moving higher. We're in this resistance zone and we're pulling back. I only have a 40% position on this now. I'm looking to add more. I'm actually hoping for it to pull back. I haven't loaded up here after the rollover. I lost 10 cents on the roll. I got out at 71, got in at 81, and we're now at 70, 79. So I'm now more or less where I got in, a couple of cents down. But I'm willing to add, and I've only got a small portion on this. So 40%. On the Henry Hub, this chart here on the right at the top, this is the NYMEX Henry Hub price. This is still the previous contract. So let's have a look here. You can see the contract rolls over. Everything's gone a bit slow. I don't know why it's gone slow. So the contract rolls over on Tuesday, and we roll over from April into May, as you can see there. And well, that's where we are there. We've got this bottom, quadruple bottom really now, just testing that bottom again. With a bit of luck today, we'll just hold there again and move up. I don't know. We're below the 20-period moving average. You have not rolled over on the NYMEX Henry Hub yet. And that's still doing its thing. Tuesday's the rollover. We'll have to see how we go. And that's all I can say about that. But I am long, 40% position. Cocoa we've talked about. WTI I'm short. We got in right at the top. And my charts are on go slow. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm running out of memory on this. I'm working on a MacBook Air. So we got short there. We also got short somewhere a little earlier. So I think we're definitely in profit on this short right from the top. I'm not sure about the other one. I haven't had a look at just now. But just moving back up to the 20-period moving average on WTI oil, you can see we're below it. We've got red triangles on our indicator, my indicator, and moving down. We're holding above the 50. We're stuck below the 20. We're in between the two. We've got to get down below the 50, down below the 100, down through this channel center line, down through the 20-period moving, 200-period moving average. That's that one there, down to the channel bottom. That's my first target. That's at about 75. Then I think we could go much lower. And I think I'm aiming for somewhere around about the 60s to start with. So here's the day chart. There's the channel bottom at 75. And I'm aiming for below 70 down into these regions here. First supports, big support levels, or the major supports around about the $70 level in these green zones. And then there's more to go. If we break this level down here at 67, there's a long way for WTI to drop. We could get into the 50s and even, I suppose, significantly lower.